Everything you must know if you want to buy land. Welcome to episode 2 of the Frequently Asked Questions series. Today we're diving into the whys of buying land, explaining to you what you should seriously consider buying land right now. From financial benefits to personal satisfaction, there's a lot to cover. Whether you're an experienced investor or someone new to this video is for you. We'll break down each reason in detail so you can make an informed decision. So grab your notebooks and let's jump right into the top reasons why buying land right now could be one of the smartest financial decisions you can make. Reason number 1, interest rates. Lower interest rates are expected in land loans for 2025, following the Federal Reserve's late cuts in 2024. Lower interest rates mean lower borrowing costs, making now the perfect time to secure a loan for that dream piece of land. This drop significantly reduces the overall cost of your investment in the long run. Reason number 2, land prices. Unlike the stock market, land prices are known for their stability. This limited supply combined with growing populations and increasing demand means that land values are poised for serious appreciation in the future. Buying now while prices are still favorable and every other market is fluctuating, it's like getting ahead of the game. Here's the exciting part about owning land. You can start generating income from it almost immediately. One option is leasing your land for agricultural use. Another avenue is timber harvesting, especially if your land has valuable trees. Leasing your land for solar or wind energy production is a fantastic way to generate substantial long-term income. For all you outdoor enthusiasts, buying land now gives you an ample time to prep for the upcoming hunting season. By purchasing land now, you can start implementing strategies to maximize your chances of success during hunting season. Like Mark Twain once said, "Buy land, they're not making it anymore." As our population grows, the demand for land will only increase, driving up its value. Every new home, business, and piece of infrastructure needs land. Don't miss out on the opportunity to own a piece of this limited and valuable asset. Reason number 3, minimal work. One of the biggest advantages of owning vacant land is the minimal work involved. Unlike a rental property that requires constant upkeep, vacant land is relatively hands-off. This makes it an ideal investment for those who want a passive approach to building wealth. One of the most powerful strategies in real estate investing is the buy and hold approach. This strategy is favored by many seasoned investors. Buy and hold is exactly what it sounds like. You buy a piece of property and simply hold on to it for the long term. Over time, the property appreciates in value. As inflation rises and the value of the dollar decreases, the value of your land goes up. This natural appreciation can lead to significant profits. This makes it a fantastic hedge against inflation. Reason number 4, leasing. Owning land isn't just about appreciation, it's also about generating passive income. One of the most attractive aspects of land ownership is the ability to lease it out for various purposes. From agricultural leases to recreational leases for activities like camping or RV parks, the possibilities are endless. Imagine collecting rent checks every month while your land appreciates in value. Compared to other real estate investments, land can be incredibly affordable, especially if you're willing to look outside of major metropolitan areas. Reason number 5, safe physical asset. Furthermore, land is a tangible asset. It's a physical piece of the earth that will always hold intrinsic value, providing a sense of security and stability into your investment portfolio. While no investment is completely without risk, there are steps you can take to minimize your risk significantly when purchasing land. Do your due diligence and work with trustworthy companies like discountlots.com to guide you through the process and protect your interests. And there you have it, folks. These are the top reasons why you should consider buying land right now. From financial benefits to personal satisfaction of owning a piece of the earth, the advantages are numerous and compelling. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you can never miss an upload. Stay tuned for more insights and tips to help you make the best decisions in your land buying journey.